So Bitcoin and crypto market is going to give a very good and a very big move in the upcoming time. So if you want to know that move, then be in this video and watch this video carefully. First of all, we are going to analyze the Bitcoin chart in a 1 hour time frame. Then we will move to our day time frame. Now after that, we are going to discuss the altcoin moves with our Bitcoin dominant chart. So this is the 1 hour time frame of our Bitcoin chart, and the current Bitcoin is currently moving in this symmetrical triangle pattern, and this pattern is a neutral pattern, so we have to wait for the breakout or the breakdown. But if we talk about the highest chances, then there are high chances of the breakout. Then we can expect the next zone, that is over $1,700 area. This may be a quick scalp for you. But if we talk about our Bitcoin chart in our daily time frame, then the things is different. This is a daily time frame of a Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is currently trading this, that is a rising wedge pattern, which we told in my previous video also. And Bitcoin already break down this pattern with this breakdown, this downtrend line, and it also retested this downtrend line also. If this current daily time frame candle, if this current daily candle closes above this resistance zone, that is like $15,500 area, and this downtrend line, then we can expect another big fall in our Bitcoin chart. And the first is support will be approx this zone, that is like 10,500 to like $11,000 area. And there we have a 0.236 level of FIB, that is like $11,800 area. So we can expect the next zone in our daily chart, that is like $11,000 area, if daily candle closes below this zone. But if somehow it closes above this zone, then we can expect the all-time high, that is like $23,000 area, and next target will be like 30,000 approx, like $30,000 zone. But the chances of the fall is higher than the chances of the upward move. So we can expect the like $11,000 area very soon, and after that we will analyze the Bitcoin chart at this price in some upcoming days. If this happen, then if the Bitcoin did not hold this zone, then we are going to see like $5,000 area. But that was the different for, we can analyze this chart in our second or next video, because there is nothing much more for to analyze right now, because there are nothing, no data shows that we are going to see the one like $5,000 area. But there are chances that we are going to see the one like $11,000 zone very soon. So now if you talk about our Bitcoin dominance, so Bitcoin dominance is looking good because it's under this bearish flag pattern. It is making the bearish flag pattern, and this pattern is good for our altcoin, because if Bitcoin dominance broke this downtrend line, then we are going to see a upward move in our altcoin also. So everything is not depend upon our Bitcoin. There are multiple scenarios. The first scenario will be if Bitcoin price rises and the Bitcoin dominance chart this pattern, this Bitcoin dominance break down this downtrend line, then we are going to see a very good move in our altcoins. Altcoin will explode and they will pump very fast. But the second scenario is if Bitcoin price fall and the Bitcoin dominance chart also fall, then we are going to see a dump in our altcoins, but the altcoin will not dump too much. They will dump but not dump too much. But if there is last scenario, that is the red scenario. If Bitcoin prices dump and the altcoin also break this horizontal resistance, then we are going to see the period in our altcoins, and altcoins will also fall too much. So we have to wait for the Bitcoin price to react, then we can expect something from our altcoins. So stay tuned in my Telegram channel to for update in our altcoin also. So everything is depend upon this daily time frame. After 12 hour 25 minutes, we are going to see the next move of Bitcoin. If again I am telling you, if this daily candle closes below this zone, then we are going to see the 11,000 zone very soon. And after that, we will analyze that whether the price of the Bitcoin will touch 1,05,000 or not. And if the Bitcoin price closes above this zone, then we are going to see the $1,23,000 zone. That is about all time high also. So that's all for this video. If we have any other query, then you can comment it.